My culinary adventure kicked off just before Christmas with a mission to rediscover the art of cooking. Now, I'll be honest, I didn't embark on it on a solo journey. I've had a bit of backup, but hey, I've given it my all and that's what counts, right? Now let me spill the beans on my cooking challenges. First up, we've got the classic struggle with timings. You see, ever since my not so friendly brain tumour diagnosis, numbers and I don't exactly see eye to eye. And as you guessed it, cooking involves a lot of those pesky numbers. But wait, there's more. Flashback to 2012 during a debulking surgery entered a stroke, which has affected me down the right side. Ever since then, wielding anything heavier than a feather or a knife has been, well, let's just say a little bit risky. Now, fast forward to today's escapade, tackling Gousto's creamy bacon and mushroom pasta. Well, it seemed like a walk in the park on paper, but trust me, it was more like a culinary obstacle course. I was smart though. I prepped everything beforehand to avoid any confusion. However, that didn't stop me from unleashing uncooked onions into the mix and tossing the pasta into the pot like there was no tomorrow. But you know what? Not a single complaint, not even from Ruby. Follow me for more kitchen mishaps turning into delightful surprises.